Hello, good morning kids.
Good morning all.
How are you all? Hope you are doing fantastic and safe at home, right?
And you know what is the special for the day now? We are back with something. Sir?
Yes, before that, let me introduce about myself. I am Balaji here.
I'm Madhu here.
Yes children, since June, we have been learning prose and poetries and also many things, right? So today, in this class, we are going to learn very beautiful thing. Shall we see what is that?
Sir, I think it is very interesting for us today.
Yes, of
you
course.
Two kids, before that, I hope all of you have got your notebooks and pens with you to note down and perform activities. So shall we start something new today? What is it?
Yes, it is writing section.
We are learning more about writing today in this session.
Yes children, before letting in, I have a special quote for you.
Can you explain us what is it?
Yeah. Ma'am, can you see, reading maketh full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man.
Wow.
And look at that, reading maketh a full man. If you read continuously, we will be a full man. And conference is nothing but conversation. If we have a conversation with others, we will be a ready man. And see, look at that writing. If you practice or if you are good at writing skills, then will be the perfect and an exact man.
Oh, this is really interesting.
Yes.
So then, writing skill is the most important skill of all language skills. Out of
Of
four
course.
skills, writing is a very important one.
Yes ma'am. Yes, nothing but today we are going to discuss the writing section.
That is too interesting.
Yes ma'am.
What are those skills, sir? Today we
Yeah.
are discussing.
Shall I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. The first one is letter writing.
Wow.
Can you guess the second one?
I hope it is profile writing.
Absolutely right.
Wow, I'm right.
Yeah ma'am. Third one, diary writing.
Wow, interesting.
And fourth one, please can you guess?
No, sir. This time I have no guess about it.
Okay, fine then. It is essay writing.
So kids, we have four skills to introduce you today through writing skill. That is, one is letter writing, second one is profile writing, diary writing as well. Essay writing is what you are going to learn in this.
Yes, are you all ready kids? Yes.
Yeah, let us
Ready
start.
with your pen and notebook. Shall we go ma'am?
Yes sir, we'll start.
Yeah. Yes, here is a question for you ma'am. Who am I?
Sir, is it a riddle kind of thing?
Yes, of course.
Wow, I like riddles.
Yes, we'll tell you now. Ma'am, long ago, people used to make use of me to pass message. I was like fresh air for dear ones, fresh water for common people, and many more. In fact, time has changed, but still I am young and beautiful. I am universal truth. Hey, smart boy and girl, will you guess who am I? Won't you? Can you guess, ma'am?
Sir, I need a clue or I need something to know more about this.
Okay, shall I give you a clue?
Yeah, please.
Only one clue I will give you.
Yes sir.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow, it looks like an envelope containing a letter.
Of course, you are on my track.
Wow, that's great.
Very nice. Then, it's me talking to you. Can you guess who is talking to?
Now I can guess it.
Yeah, tell me.
It is a letter talking to
Us. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, children. Letter is talking to you. That is what I am a letter. You can use me in a formal situation or informal situation. Choice is yours, isn't it? Seriously, the letter is warning us that informal situation, be very clear, concrete and precise about your objectives and thoughts. Ma'am, could you go to the informal situation?
Wow. Sir, in our school days, I learned that there are two kinds of letters.
Yeah.
I think these two sections are discussing the same.
Yes.
So, coming to informal situation, in informal situation, naturally emotions will overflow because you are using me as a means to express own feelings to your dear ones, won't you? When you write an informal letter, your feelings will overflow.
Yes, ma'am.
That's so nice.
Yes, wonderful.
Shall we move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am. Now see, I have come with two types of letters. That is what the formal one letter and can you guess the second one?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yes.
This time I am right. It is informal.
Yes. In today's class, we are going to see the format and also a model of letter of formal and along with that informal letter. Shall we, ma'am?
Please.
Yeah. Yes, before that, we'll ask you a question now.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I am ready.
Yes, tell me, whom do we write the formal letter?
formal letter is also called official letter, sir.
Of course, ma'am.
So official letters are written for the official purpose. So I think I can list down some people whom we write formal letter. One is teacher.
Yeah.
We normally write leave letters to our teachers.
Of course.
So that's how we communicate. Second one is headmaster or principal of our
Oh,
school
while
or
getting
college.
TC or conduct certificate, we do write, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
you are right. We write to headmaster or principal
Yeah.
while we need some documentation through them in the school.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is bank officials, we can say.
Yes.
What business do we have with the banks? We open account.
While
we,
opening the SB account, we need to write an application to the manager.
We deposit money.
Yes.
And we take money out, and we don't need an account. We will close it. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is the purpose that we write for bank officials.
Yeah, even
Next
to
is
government officials. Yeah.
We write officials regarding things to be done, or
Yes.
when we need some details regarding anything.
Yes.
And some requisition, we are requesting them to perform something for us. On behalf of that, we write a letter to
Yes.
them. Corporate officials as well as editor of a newspaper.
Wonderful, ma'am.
Yes.
Really, today I come to know that formal letter can be written for teacher, headmaster, bank officials, government officials, corporate officials, editor of newspapers. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sir,
Hmm.
there is another column left out.
Yeah, informal.
Informal.
Yeah.
Sir, I knew all about formal letters, but informal letters.
I will tell you.
whom do we
I will
write?
tell you. I will tell you.
Yes.
Informal letter can be written to grandparents.
Wow.
Yeah, beautiful, no?
They are so loving, right?
Yes. And also we can write to our father and mother. If you are staying in hostel, so we can write to them. Then also we can write to our brothers and sisters.
When
and
we are on holidays.
Yes. Then also we could write to uncle and aunt.
Whenever we miss them at home.
Yes,
yeah.
of course. Then can you read this?
Yeah, nephew and niece.
Yes, of
we
course.
always miss them.
I,
Cousins are wonderful companions in this world.
Okay.
So obviously, when we are out, we miss all these people, and we feel like writing letters.
Yes, yes.
Nowadays, we have got mobile phones and we text each other and all, but writing letter is a different kind of experience that all of you need to practice
Yes.
and experience once kids session.
Yes, and last is most interesting and most important.
Yeah.
We write a letter to a friend also. Fine. So we can write informal letter for grandparents, father or mother, brothers or sister, and also even to uncle, aunt, nephew and niece, and also to friends.
Friends.
Yes, ma'am. Then we come to know that to whom to write letter. Now
Yeah.
the challenging task we are going to do what? Can you guess?
Maybe we are practicing to write a letter.
Yeah, of course, that is what we are
Ah,
going.
Also, I am right.
Yes, here is how to write an informal letter.
So first, we are taking up informal letter, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Shall we see?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Here I have a format for informal letter writing. The first one, can you guess what is the step?
Sir, it seems like address.
Yes. And I have not mentioned the name. Can you guess why?
I think it is sender's address. That is why you did not mention.
Yes,
any
yes,
name.
you are right. See, in most of the informal letter, we will not mention our names because to whom you are writing, they know our names, right?
Yeah.
If you are writing to mother or father, they know our name. But if they are given in the question paper, it must be written. Okay. So there is no question, so I am going with only address. So this is the first step. Then what is the second step? Can you guess?
It is the date of
Yeah.
letter, sir.
Of course, the day you are writing the letter, 12th December 2020. That is the second step. Yeah. What is the dear friend, dear?
Oh, now we mentioned whom are we writing this letter?
Yes. If you are writing to your friend, you can write dear friend. Then if you are writing to your father,
Then I say dear father.
yes,
Am
of
I right?
course. Yes, you are.
If I am writing to my aunt, I say dear aunt.
Yes, you are right. Yeah. Can you guess the step?
I think it is left blank because whatever comes to our mind, we can fill it up there.
Yes, of course. That is what the body of the letter.
Wow.
Yes, after the body of the letter, we have one more step. That is what? Complimentary closing or subscription. Look at that. You are affectionately. Who is that Darshan?
Maybe the one who is writing letter.
Of course. And the last step. Can you guess?
Oh, he is sending letter to Sachin.
Yes.
Now I am clear that Darshan is writing a letter to Sachin
Yeah.
and he is sending it to him.
Yeah, that is what we need to mention, the to address at the last. It is called as the last step, to address. Then shall we revise it once?
Yeah.
Which is the first step? Can you tell me?
We need to write from address.
Yes, that is the first step. And second?
We need to mention the date of the letter.
Yes. Third?
We need to salute, or we need to mention whom are we writing letter to.
Yes, salutation. Then the fourth one?
Step is we are writing the content of the letter, whatever is in mind to communicate.
Yes,
we
it
will
is called as body of the letter.
Body of the letter.
Fifth?
Then we close. We complimentarily close the letter or subscribe, saying that who is writing a letter.
Okay. Then the last one is?
To address.
Yes.
Whom are we sending the letter?
Yes. Look at children, there are 6 steps in the formal letter to be followed. Yes. Now using these steps, now let us make one informal writing. Shall we? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, here is a model of informal letter writing. Ma'am will read out for you the question.
Imagine that you are Krishna or Radha of 8th standard Government High School, Harihar, and write a letter to your father requesting him to send 500 rupees for your school excursion using the following clues given below. Kids, you have some clues given below and you need to use it in letter to make it a complete letter. So shall we now see that how a letter can be framed using the hints given?
Yes, children, now we have a question. Now let us go on solving this question with this model of writing. Yes, model of informal letter. Now first step, we need to write the from address. What is the from address? They are given in the question. Imagine as Krishna, Radha. See, in the from address, I have written Krishna or Radha. If you are a girl, please write the name Radha. If you are a boy, please write the name Krishna. 8th standard Government High School, Harihar. Then what is the next step, ma'am?
I think it is date, sir.
Yes, of course.
we need to
14th
mention
December
date.
2020. Yeah. The next step is nothing but,
Salutation.
yes, dear father. We are writing to a letter to
Father.
The next is body of the letter.
Yeah.
Will you read it?
I think question says that Krishna or Radha is demanding 500 rupees for
Yeah.
the excursion. So the whole body contains the same matter.
Yes. Yes, kids. Then the last is convey my wishes to mother and sister.
Sir.
Yes, remember that, kids. Don't forget it. Yes, yours lovingly, Krishna or Radha, and also at last the to address.
To address. We have come to the end of the letter, informal
Yeah,
letter.
this is the sixth
and
step.
This is how we are going to close the letter.
Yes.
Fine. Very nice, sir. We now have learned that how to write
Yeah.
an informal letter.
Even I have few things for you now. See, points to write in body of the letter.
Wow.
Yeah, if they asked about studies, how to write?
Huh.
Yeah, let's see. You can start with I am fine.
I'm fine.
I expect same from you.
Yeah.
I am studying well.
Yeah.
I work 6 hours in a day.
Yeah.
I scored 80% in the last exam. And my teachers are good. They guide us so well. I need not provide tuition. I will score more than 95% in the public exam. Also last, you should not forget, convey my wishes to mother and sister. These are all the points can be put it in a paragraph in the body of the letter if they asked about the studies. Now could you tell me if they asked about the birthday or any marriage or any function, how to write? Yes, could you read this?
Of course, we shall give our students some inputs to write a letter. If birthday, marriage or any other functions have been discussed in the letter, you can write like this. My birthday, my sister's marriage is on so and so date. So I invite you and your family.
The same thing, same
And,
inputs.
I think this is how we are closing this letter. I hope you will come with your family for 2 days or 2 days before, however you are inviting them.
Yeah.
And at last, do not forget to write, convey my wishes to uncle and
Aunt.
aunt. So, closing line is very important while writing letter.
Yes, here this kid has come.
Oh,
Can you guess what he might be thinking?
he might be thinking of writing letter again.
Same again, but the twist is now he is thinking about the writing formal letter.
Wow, he has some official communication.
Yes, we need to give him or we need to guide him how to write a formal letter. Shall we?
Yeah, hope we shall do it better.
Yes, ma'am. Here it goes. The same kind of format has come now, but here some steps to be changed. Let's see. First step, as usual, from address. Second step,
Date
and third is
to address.
Yes. And the fourth step is,
salutation.
yes, of course.
Sir, I see things, I mean the parts of the letter interchanged when compared to
Informal letter. Yes, of
And
course.
we used to write to address at the end of the letter, but in formal letter we are writing to address in
After the date.
after the date.
Yeah. The first step is here from address, and the second is again date, and third one is to address, and the fourth one is,
we are saluting.
yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Here is the one more thing. We are adding extra in the formal letter.
Yeah, I see subject has been added.
Yes.
We
In the
need to-
informal letter, we should not add subject.
So here we need to mention.
Yes, we must. We must.
Subject is nothing but the purpose of writing letter case. So what is the purpose of writing letter will be mentioned in subject.
Yes, of course. Then followed by subject.
Yeah.
Of course, it is body of the letter.
Sir, I guessed it before you. You know how?
Here.
There were only dots.
Dots. Yes, you are
Yeah.
right. And you should not forget this one. After closing the body of the letter, you should gratitude.
Of course,
Yeah.
we need to.
That is what. Thank you.
We are thanking them.
Yeah. Then the last step is yours faithfully. Yeah. So shall we revise it once again? Fifth step is subject.
Subject,
Sixth is,
body of the letter,
and the last one is,
complimentary closure, that is subscribing
yes,
with the signature.
yes,
The difference is one who is writing letter will sign in the official letter.
yes, you are right, ma'am. Yes, then let's go further. Yeah. Here is a model of formal letter. Yeah.
So shall we read the
Yes.
question?
Here is a question.
Imagine that you are Savita or Manu of 8th standard Vivekanand High School, Mysore.
Yeah.
Write a letter to your class teacher requesting 3 days leave for your brother's marriage.
Yes. Now the same kind, I have a model letter for you. This can be written like this, as usual, from address, date,
Yes.
and to address. Yes, it is addressed to the class teacher. So what it is addressed, that I have written in the body of the letter. Before that, salutation has been given, and very interesting, subject seeking leave for 3 days. Yeah. This is the body of the letter.
Carries
Yeah.
all information, necessary information along with it.
Yeah. Thank you, and yours obediently, Savita or Manu. Yes, this is for practice at home. You must do it, and you must show it to your subject teacher. Yes.
So I hope kids you are all ready with pens and papers to note down your exercise for the day.
Yeah,
regarding
please write
this.
down all these two questions. One is of informal letter and another one is of formal letter. Yes, start writing, children. Yes.
Wow, it seems very interesting. There is a pen.
And they are writing something.
Wow, the handwriting also looks very nice.
Of course.
What is it, sir?
Yes, it is very special, very special, very special. Can I reveal it?
I am very curious to know.
Yes, it is of profile writing.
Oh, sir.
Huh.
Now I remember when you say profile writing that I had to write about Dr. Usha, one of
Oh.
my friends.
Okay.
Who is very, I mean, who is.
She is a good professor of in India, right?
Of course.
Ah, okay. I have heard.
You to know her.
Yeah.
And she has a very interesting profile of hers. And I want.
Have
to
you brought
tell
it?
her- Yeah, sir. It is with me actually. I'll show you.
Okay, then we will make a profile of her now.
Shall we?
Yes.
Oh, let's then continue.
Okay, then. Okay, we have a question. In the examination also it will be given like this.
Oh,
Given below is the profile of Dr. Usha.
Usha. Yes.
Yeah. Then write a paragraph using the clues given below. Oh, you brought clues also, ma'am, for us.
Yes, sir. I wanted our children to have an example of question. How does it appear in exams?
Okay, ma'am. Shall we see Usha's profile?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Oh, name Usha.
Yes, sir.
That
These
i-
are some details regarding her.
Okay, fine.
Name, age, qualification, occupation and her
Hobbies. Fine.
There
Reasons
are
for
some more-
popularity. Yeah.
Yeah, there are some more additional points too that make her profile interesting. Reasons for popularity, academic achievements, as well as she has authored a book also.
Very nice. Yes, let's write a paragraph using the clues given above. Shall we see the first step?
So step 1 is
Read the clues carefully.
yes.
Whatever the clues they have given in the question paper or in the exercise, we must read the clues carefully. Second step,
Begin the paragraph with an introductory statement.
and third step we have, don't beat the bush, stick to the clues. What does it mean, do you know?
I think you are telling that do not add unnecessary
Yes.
information in profile.
Yes, you should not
Go very
go behind the
precise.
clues.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Let's go further then. Let's begin profile of Usha. Yes, clue 1. What was the clue 1? Name?
Her
Dr. Usha. How to write this in an introductory statement?
I think it is very easier. We are just going to convert it into a sentence, I think.
Yes, that is what. Dr. Usha is one of the famous professors of India. We have clue 2. Age 35 years. It can be in a sentence.
35 years old.
Old. Yes. Clue 3 we have.
Their qualification.
MSc PhD. So how it can be? She has completed her MSc with PhD. Yes, clue 4.
Occupation. Professor in physics in Delhi University.
Yeah. She is working as a professor in physics in Delhi University. Then clue 5.
Is hobbies. Her hobbies are watching birds, reading magazines.
Clue 6.
Reasons for popularity. Soft spoken, warm hearted, and loves to help students.
That can be in a sentence. She is very popular among her students because she is soft spoken, warm hearted, and ready to help her students. Yes, we have clue 7.
Academic achievements. Paper presentation on waste management.
Yes, that can be in a sentence. She has made a presentation on waste management. We have clue 8 too.
Author of the book.
Yes, even she has written a book, Ecological.
Crisis.
Yes, yes. Now we have seen the clues and also made a sentences. Now why don't we put together in a paragraph? I have brought all the clues of the statement or the sentences in this paragraph. See, whatever we have gone with the clues and made a sentences, that I put it into this paragraph.
Sir,
Yeah.
this seems really interesting.
And easy to write.
Very easy.
Yes, in the examination it will be asked for 3 marks. How easy it is to get 3 marks, right?
Of course, all we need to do is frame single sentences, include them to make a paragraph.
Here is a question for you for practice at home.
Given below is a profile of Dr. Ravi Shankar, a professor. Write a paragraph using the clues given below.
As you have written for Dr. Usha, please make a profile of Dr. Ravi Shankar and show to your class teacher or the subject teacher. Will you do it, kids? Yes.
Children, if you are not able to write it down now, we hope that you will pause the video later and write down exercises and complete it.
Yeah.
Shall we pass on to the next one?
Yes. Here is something for you. See, some people collect photographs to serve as memories of old times.
Of course, sir. I have a lot of them.
Yeah, I have seen your gallery.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay then. I do remember the things in a different way. Do you know how?
Is it not a photo?
I don't want to collect the photographs.
Is it not clothing or something?
No way. Look at. But some people, I am in the some people. See,
Yeah.
some other pen down their thoughts, feelings, and experiences for the sake of memory in their diary. I do write diary. Hope our students also writing.
Hopefully.
Many of us, right?
It's nice, kids, if you are writing your diary,
Hmm.
and we are today serving you with some tips to make your diary better.
Before that, shall we ask them which is better, collecting photos or writing diary? Which one do you feel is the best, kids?
Sir, now I feel writing is better.
Yeah, of course. As you said, it is nothing but diary entry. Have you heard this diary entry?
It is nothing but writing diary. I think.
Of course, it is nothing but diary writing. Yeah. What is diary entry?
Sir, I think it is nothing but documenting
Of-
day-to-day happenings of
Yes,
our
it is nothing but
life.
personal document of us.
Whatever happens right from the beginning
Yes.
of the day to the end of your day is diary entry.
Of course, to express your feelings, ma'am. Yes, then it is a way to keep a track of your past and think about your future.
Oh,
We can learn by our past, right?
Oh, I never knew that diary doesn't only document past.
And
but it
diary is the best teacher for you.
Of course, that
Yes.
is why you have included that. It
Of
will
course,
help in
of course.
Future also.
Then we must learn this diary entry. Yes, dear children, always remember this. Before you start up diary entry, look at this. Diary entry always written in first person. Who are they?
I and we.
Yes, that should be written in the first person.
I
Example,
am happy today.
and we were surprised because.
Yeah.
And second, we have event should be in proper order. Whatever has occurred in the day, that should be in the proper order. Example, you can use these words.
At first, then, next, at last, etc. Otherwise, kids, there is a danger recording breakfast in the evening and
Yeah.
supper in the morning. Let us
Yes.
not do it.
Yes, we must not forget the order.
Yes.
Yes, and also we have give important details related to people, place, time, things in the day, whomever you have met at what time you have met, whom you have met, that should be written in the diary.
Kids, this is very important because your diary is going to be testimonial for your past. So whatever has happened in the past will be documented in that. So
Yeah.
you need to mention place and people exactly.
Yes, and children, note down your true feelings and be honest about the incident. Whatever has been occurred in the day, that should be jotted down. Fine?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Then children, use simple and informal language. Here it doesn't require a formal language. Example, you can see,
I spent my Sunday watching the Idiot Box.
look at that, idiot box is nothing but the TV. Then tense. Can you guess what tense to be followed in the diary entry? We cannot go with all the tenses here.
I have a guess,
Yeah.
which is I think right. We write diary in the night, right?
Yeah.
After the completion of the day.
Of course.
So whatever happened will be in the past of the day. So we enter our diary in the past tense.
Yes, you are right. We can use simple past tense and present perfect tense and also future tense. Yeah, here is the format of diary entry. As usual, the first step is date and the second one is day and third one is you cannot write diary entry in the morning. It should be in the late night itself. Before you are going to bed, you should write the diary. And dear diary is the next step. It is called as salutation. And what is the next step?
Body of the diary,
Yes.
where we document everything that had happened the day.
Yes, of course, this is the steps to be followed while you are writing the diary. Okay. Then it is the model of the diary entry now. So here children, look at the steps we had seen in the last slide, 12 December to the last, the signature.
So here is a practice exercise for you to write your diary. Make a diary entry on your experience of observation of the Republic Day celebrations in your school. Mention why you like the day. Essay writing.
Yes, children, some of you might feel boredom about this essay writing, but I will tell you this is most interesting. How? Look at this. We have a question now. Can you read this question?
Yes, sir. Write an essay on your school.
Yes, everybody know about our school, right?
Yes.
But how to write, that is interesting, or that is important thing to know.
Sir, are you going to give us the model of an essay?
Of course, here is the basic structure everybody must write or everybody must know before writing their essay. Yes, the first thing is, can you read out?
The essay begins with the title. The title should not only give an idea of main topic covered but also capture the interest of the reader. An essay is divided into three distinct parts.
The introduction or beginning, the body or the middle part, the conclusion or the end. Yes, let's start.
Yes, sir. We are ready with our books and pens.
Yes, very good then. And have you seen in the last slide how to start an essay? We should start an essay with a title. So I have written, My School is My Temple. It's a title of my essay. Yes, children, introduction. What might be there in the introduction when we are writing about the school?
It should include some interesting thing about your school. So you can start like this. The introduction will need to include school name, address, small amount of description about the school. The reader will be introduced to school.
Yes, then the same thing can be continued in the body of the letter. How? The body include some more details about school activities, what they are conducting in the school, and also teachers, how they are teaching you, and sports, friends, etc. Whatever special things in your school, that can be added in the body of the essay. Then the last one is conclusion. Yeah.
Hope the conclusion can be like this. This can include writer's thoughts about the school to give it a proper.
Okay, children, here is a model of an essay. So I have written, my school is my temple, and also introduction. In the introduction I have mentioned the school address and also my class and how it is and all. And in the continued part, it is of body of an essay continued. Then we have the conclusion part. This is for your practice, kids. Write an essay on your best friend in not more than 100 to 120 words. Will you do it at home? Yes, children, we come to an end. Whatever you have learned today, can you guess?
First one is letter writing, I remember.
Yes, second one is profile writing.
Third one is
Come on, diary entry.
yes, and the fourth one is
Essay writing. Yes, children, hope you have learnt about all these 4 writing sections and hope you will get good marks in the examination. Yes, I am Balaji once again.
I am Madhurani once again.
Have a good day, children.